Okay, opening doors and retrieving things, I'm going to retrieve a wash rag and a towel. This handle, again at any therapy supply store, is just rubber. There are many different kinds that are more expensive. They have tended to break on us over the years. So these little rubber handles are super easy, almost no weight, will allow you to grab them and open them. Linen closet is like anyone else's. These are the wash rags. It's a bit of a struggle every day, but I try to balance things on my fingers to get wash rags. Nothing special here, just want you to see that it can be done. And then these are the towels. So this allows me to get my own towels and wash rags.